one name, FasTest, is the source for instant and quick connectors in the manufacturing industry. With models available for test pressures up to 10,000 psi, our comprehensive line of connectors is efficient, highly effective, and ergonomic. Eliminate wrenches, tapes, sealants, and product damage when connecting to internal or external cavities, tubing, and threads. You will improve productivity and overall quality. Our proprietary pressure-assisted grip and seal technology virtually eliminates accidental removal under pressure. And dynamic sealing technology minimizes operator stress while increasing the life of the seal. The FastMate series is a modular design with a split collet that securely seals instantly to male or female threads. Our TwistMate series is designed for low-volume, finger-tight leak test connections. The FEFI series is capable of sealing conventional and non-standard surfaces, both internal and external. With these connectors, compressed air activates elastomeric seals, providing uniform movement and leak-proof connections. The versatile JXL-JNL line features lever-actuated connectors engineered for internal and external copper, steel, and aluminum tubes. With our patented safe, no-operator adjustment design, you can count on consistent results. FasTest connectors. Progressive, rugged, reliable. The complete solution for manufacturers to meet and exceed productivity.